Hello everyone. Today I will discuss with the provision of section 26 and order 4 row 1 institution of suit given in the Code of Civil Procedure. In this way we will first know the definition of this plaint. A plaint in law means a private memorial tendered to a court in which the person sets forth his cause of action, the execution of an action in writing. Order 7 is related to the format of plaint according to Rule 1. Now we will know institution of the suit. First upon presentation of the plaint, commencement of the suit, section 26 and 4 contain the provisions relating to the institution of a suit. Section 26 1. Every suit shall be instituted by the presentation of a plaint or in such other manner or as may be prescribed. Second, and every plaint fact shall be proved by affidavit. Order 4. 1. Every suit shall be instituted by presenting a or such officer is as at a point in this behalf. Second, every plaint shall comply with the rules contained in Order 6 and 7 so far as they are applicable. Third, the plaint shall not be deemed to be duly instituted unless it complies with the requirement specified in sub rule 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Rule 2, Order 4 of Code of Civil Procedure, Register of Suits. The court shall cause the particular of every suit to be entered in a book to be kept for the purpose and called the Register of Civil Suit. Such entries shall be numbered in every year according to the order in which the plaint are admitted. The plaint may be presented either by the affected person himself or by his advocate or by any person duly authorized by him. The procedural framework relating to the institution of a suit is given below. Number 1. Preparing the plaint. Number 2. Choosing the proper place of suing. Number 3. Presentation of the plaint. Presentation of plaint ought to be in the language of the court. Essential of the institution of suit. There are 4 essential of suit: opposing parties, that is parties to the suit. Number 2, subject matter in dispute, cause of action and relief. Every plaintiff shall comply with the rules contained in Order 6 and 7 so far as they are applicable. Order 6 CPC discrimination pleading generally number 1 pleadings, number 2 pleadings to state material facts and not evidence, number 3 forms of pleadings, number 4 particular to be given where necessary, number 5 condition of precedent, number 7 departure, number 8 denial of contract, number 9 effect of documents to be stated, number 10 malice knowledge etc., number 11 notice, number 12 implied contract or relation, number 13 presumption of law, pleadings to be signed, verification of pleadings, amendment of pleadings, failure to amend after order. Order 7 CPC description. Particular to be contained in plaint. The plaint shall contain the following particulars: A. The name of the court in which the suit is brought. The name, description and place of residence of the plaintiff. The name, descriptions and place of residence of the defendant so far as they can be ascertained, where the plaintiff or the defendant is a minor or a person of unsound mind. A statement to the fact constituting the cause of action and when it is aroused, the fact showing that the court has jurisdiction, the relief which the plaintiff claims, where the plaintiff has allowed a set off or relinquished a portion of his claim, the amount so allowed or relinquished, and a statement of the value of the subject matter of the suit for the purpose of jurisdiction and of the court fee so far as the case admits. Parties to the suit. In a civil suit, the presence of both the plaintiffs who file the suit and defendant who is sued is necessary. In each case, there are two categories. First one is the necessary party and the other is proper party. Subject matter in dispute. Subject matter means the bundle of facts which have to be proved in order entitled the plaintiff to the relief claimed by him. Cause of action. Cause of action may be defined a defined as a bundle of essential facts which is necessary for the plaintiff to prove before he can succeed. A cause of action is the foundation of a suit. Relief. Relief is legal remedy for a wrong according to Rule 1 of Order 2. Every suit shall, as far as practicable, be framed so as to afford ground for final decision upon the subjects in dispute and prevent further litigation concerning them. Time and place presentation. The presentation of a plaintiff must be on a working day and during the office hours. However, there is no rule that such presentation must be made either at a particular place or at a particular time. A judge therefore may accept a plaintiff at his residence or at any other place even after office hours. So he is not bound to accept it, but if not so convenient, the judge must accept the plaintiff if it is the last day of limitation. Last day of limitation. I am referring to these reference for institution of suit. A suit must commence with the presentation of a plaintiff or in such other manner as may be prescribed. AIR 1966 Calcutta 259. The expression institute has got a definite contention in law and in relation to any proceeding there can be only one institution, and that is when the machinery is set in motion and proceeding are instituted or initiated. Therefore, where the suit has been instituted against a tenant and during the pendency of the suit, his legal representative are brought on record, the suit could not be said to have instituted against the legal representative as to claim Madras LJ 1989 129. A suit is instituted when the plaintiff is presented and not when it is registered 1970 72 Bombay LR 697 AIR 1969 Gujarat 308. Suit is deemed to be instituted only when it is registered under the order of the court to which it is presented. It has also further held that it is different matter that the institution may relate back to the date of representation 1984 Allahabad LJ 1034. Then a written statement in a partition suit seeking cancellation of a document will be deemed to be a plant. AIR 1967 Mysore 217. A petition for letter of administration or a petition for grant of probate with the will annexed is not a plant. AIR 1956 Bombay 45 AIR 1967 Odisha 41. The filing of an award given by an arbitrator is not the filing of a plant. AIR 1962 Madras 320. The word suit ordinarily means a civil proceeding instituted by the presentation of a plant. AIR 1979 Rajasthan 91. A claim against a company in liquidation is not a suit. AIR 1979 Rajasthan 91. A claim against a company in liquidation is not a suit. AIR 1933 Privy Council 63. An objection order under order 21 Rule 58. In an executing court is not a suit. 1968-70 Bombay LR 59. The institution of a suit is ordinarily made by the presentation of a plant to the court or such officer as it appoint in this behalf, and the time of institution for purpose of Limitation Act is the time of presentation of the plant. 1935 62 Calcutta 1115 AIR 1935 Sindh 225. A plant presented by the plaintiff is a valid presentation even though the wakalatnama is not signed by its pleader. 1973 Punjab LJ 236, AIR 1983 Karnataka 226. The presentation of plant out of office hours to an officer authorized to receive plant only within office hours is not a valid presentation unless such presentation is rectified by the court on that very day. AIR 1971, Bombay 410. A plant may be validly received out of office hours at the Judges Club or at his private residence. AIR 1965, Andhra Pradesh 368, AIR 1953, Allahabad 609. Repeat. A plant may be validly received out of office hours at the Judges Club or his private residence. AIR 1965, Andhra Pradesh 368, AIR 1953, Allahabad 609. The word presenting implies delivery to the court or to its officer either in person or by a recognized agent or pleader of a party. AIR 1968, Assam 57, AIR 1953, Punjab 160. Then conclusion. In order to avoid unnecessary delays in the disposal of civil cases and to strike a balance between the number of lawsuits instituted and settled, alternative dispute resolution are in common with normal civil suit in India. So the Code of Civil Procedure has incorporated Section 89 for settlement of certain dispute outside the court through Lok Adalat and arbitration, including arbitration, reconciliation, judicial settlements. That's all. Finish. Thank you.